Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Resident Evil Requiem. Something went wrong, crash error. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and download the latest drivers for your GPU. If you use AMD, go to the official AMD driver website and type the name of your GPU in the search box. Select your graphics card model, choose your Windows version, then download and install the latest available driver. If you use NVIDIA, open the official NVIDIA driver page, enter the details of your GPU, and start the search. Download and install the latest drivers shown in the results. If the problem continues, close Steam completely, including from the system tray. Open the Start menu, type Steam, and select Open File Location. Right-click Steam, open Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and enable Run this program as an administrator. Apply the changes. So that's basically how you can fix the Resident Evil Requiem something went wrong crash error. That's it for this video. Thanks.